Here were the best drops from the past week. At number 5 we have Kuurth's Vigil Tempus watches. One of the forces to be reckoned with when it comes to the watch game, Kuurth just dropped another pack of watches on us. And of course they did not disappoint. From the visuals to the watch design and the colours used, this drop was on point. At number 4 we have Durags USA Python Hoodie. The Python skin has been hot this year, and Durags USA doubled down on that heat with some more heat. This is one of the best drops I've seen from the brand. At number 3 we have Clints Drop. It's hard to look at a Clints Drop and call it a miss. You're always guaranteed to see bangers in there that you'd put on your wish list. For me, in this particular drop, it's the fur hood bomber, the jersey, and the moho vest. At number 2, we have Who Decides War Autumn Winter 2025 collection. The craftsmanship over at Who Decides War is incredible, and what they cooked up for this drop here is brilliant. All the details speak for themselves. And at number 1 this week, we have House of Errors' drop, especially these puff print pieces. I know a lot of people felt puff print was burnt out and looked tacky, but House of Errors put their luxury touch on it, recreating a mosaic-like pattern across their pieces. That was it for the best drops this week. Stay tapped in with all of the brands and follow us for more.